Siri's going to tell us how to get to Tomasita's New Mexican restaurant here in Albuquerque.
Starting route to Tomasita's.
What is Tomasita's?
Tomasita's. So we're trying to go to Tomasita's authentic New Mexican.
Tomasitas.
Yeah, Beauty says it right. I don't say it right. But I definitely say it better than Siri does. There we go. And we're going to Tomasita's. Thank you, Siri. Okay, so we're going to turn left at the next light. And we're going to start talking like Siri does. We're just past Common Key Road.
At the light, use the left 2 lanes to turn onto Montgomery Boulevard Northeast.
Oh, she said Montgomery, right? But I think it sounds better if you say Monit Jomari. Monit Jomari. So if you're in Albuquerque, turn left on Monit Jomari off of San Mateo to get to
Tomasita's.
Tomasita's. Tomasita's. We're going to Tomasita's. What do you think? What did Siri call it? New Mexico. New Mexico. How do we say that?
Tomasita's.
Tomasita's, right? That's what Siri said. Tomasita's. So if you're ever in Albuquerque, New Mexico, go to Tomasita's.
You just made me spit my water out.
Beauty's spitting water out, and we're gonna go eat at Tomasita's. Pray for us.
$3.25. I'm sorry.
Right. Oh, we got the same plate. There we go.
That's authentic New Mexico road.
Alright, so we're going for the pork tamale first.
That's exactly what our bread tastes like.
Real cheesy. This tamale is really cheesy, like 80s cheesy. Oh, but it happened again. Oh, that is good. Oh my gosh.
That's our bread.
Is it still there? I can't tell.
No, it's gone.
Uh-oh.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now we're going to go for the
rice tastes like our rice.
we're going to go for the green. What is this one?
It's a green gel.
Okay, it's a green rolled enchilada.
It's ground beef.
Okay. Let's see if it's 80s cheesy. Oh yeah. Good. That's really good too. Really good. Not light, it's way too bright though. How'd you say it? Tomasita's, otherwise known as Tomasita's. Loving the smothered red chili pork tamale. Not really too hot on the green chili enchilada, but it was okay. Beauty didn't much care for it. I think it's all right. I haven't gotten into the beans and rice, but overall, food's pretty good here at Tomasita's. It's heavy, but airy. Let's see, here we go. I was gonna open it up. What?
Don't pop it.
I'm not, I'm trying to pull it back open. What am I supposed to do?
I can see you going, ooh.
What am I supposed to do? Just open the dang thing. Here we go. Don't judge me.
Thank you.
Look at that. It's a pocket of air goodness. Eat me, please. Please eat me.
But you gotta put your honey bun.
Oh, I know, but I had to. Oh, no, I'm going honey. Just straight honey.
No.
What do you know?
have to put your honey butter in. You asked me how to eat it. You gotta put your honey butter in.
No, I know how to eat it.
Then why did you ask me? What do I do?
What do I do? All right, here it goes.
Now you put your honey.
Is doing okay?
Oh, amazing. Thank you. All right, here it goes. Here it goes. Big, fluffy, and dense. I like it. They're good. I'm not mad at them at all. You're absolutely right. They're not Brown Mug Cafe in Winslow, Arizona. Sopapillas. I wish they were hotter. If they were hotter, they would have been better. See, and I like them like that. Right. Totally. All right. So the beauty and I are having dissenting opinions about this place. And that's okay. I'm going to give it 8 out of 10. What do you got? 6 out of 10 from the beauty. It's fair.
Only because I know how we cook.
Right. So if you can't hear the beauty she's talking about, she's a native of New Mexico. She knows this stuff. Her family's all New Mexican. To her, this wasn't really it. For me, it was good. So there you have it. It was good. It was really good, but not really, really good. Excuse me, boss. Beautiful road. We got big dining room everywhere. This place is huge. All the way around. Big little kitchen back there. Full service bar. Give me a wave, bro.
Hello.
All right. TVs, everything you want. Tomasitas. Pretty good food. I think Beauty and I have settled on 7 out of 10. Not great, but really good. We're in discipline.